In this video, I'll guide you through how to restore the missing top control bar in Adobe InDesign. If you've opened InDesign and suddenly noticed that the bar with all your key options has disappeared, don't worry. This is usually just a workspace or panel visibility issue, and it's very easy to fix. I'll walk you through a simple process to get that top control panel back and, if needed, reset your workspace to its default layout. First, make sure you have InDesign open and a document created or opened. Some panels don't fully appear until a document is active, so having something open helps you clearly see the changes you're making. Let's start with the main fix, turning the control panel back on. Move your cursor to the very top of the screen and click on the window menu. This menu controls the visibility of almost everything you see in your workspace, including panels, toolbars, and different types of windows inside InDesign. Once you have the window menu open, look down the list and find the option labeled Control. This refers to the control panel, which is the bar that usually runs across the top of your document window. It shows important options like font settings, alignment, spacing, and other properties that change depending on what you have selected. Click on Control. As soon as you do, InDesign will re-enable the top control bar. You should now see that familiar strip of tools and options appear above your document. If the top bar was simply hidden, this one step should immediately bring it back. At this point, take a moment to confirm that everything looks the way you expect. Try selecting some text or an object on your page. The options in the control bar should update based on what you've selected, which is a good sign that it's fully restored and working properly. If the bar still looks strange or other panels seem out of place, it may be that your workspace has been rearranged or corrupted over time. In that case, resetting the workspace is a good next step to restore the default layout. To do this, go back up to the top of the screen and click the window menu again. This time, hover your mouse over Workspace. A submenu will appear.